Bangalore weather lately is pure magic, perfect for coffee, cuddles, or in my case, sewing. I sew when I'm happy, I sew when I'm sad, and I sew when I don't feel like being an adult. So, if I ghost your calls, don't panic. I'm probably lost in the world of threads and needles, solving pattern making problems instead of real ones. A quick fit check. I'm wearing a pinafore dress I made from an old skirt that my friend gave. Breakfast today is toasted brown bread with a spread I whipped up by blending paneer or cottage cheese, coriander, garlic, chili flakes, olive oil, and salt. This can be used as a dressing for salad as well, and it tastes yum. Instagram reel approved. Honestly, at this point, I'm either saving recipes or sewing ideas. Adulting much? I'm also gonna add aloo bhujia on top of it. I'm pretty sure it'll taste good because it's aloo.
Middle of the road, it's just a feeling of a distant melody unknown. I was doing fine, I minded my own business till the day you took me home. You came into my life like a sweet embrace.
So my husband's friend recommended Alice in Borderland on Netflix, and now I have been binging it like my life depends on it, which ironically is the whole vibe of the show. It's basically Squid Game meets a deck of cards where survival depends on how well you can handle playground games with way higher stakes. There are way too many plot twists. Honestly, I'm just here for the adrenaline and to figure out who is getting out of this twisted Tokyo alive.
Me off my feet and made me whole again.
Remember I did a fabric haul recently? So today's agenda is turning one of those beauties into simple yet cute loungewear. To make this, you don't actually need a pattern, you can just copy an existing piece of clothing. Since I already have a basic block, I'm just going to use that to cut both front and the back, and of course I have extended the length and the width because who doesn't want their loungewear to be as easy breezy as possible. If you have been keeping up with my videos, you already know the difference between the front and the back is pretty minimal, just a slightly deeper neck and the armhole in the front. Now place the front on top of the back with right sides facing each other, then stitch the shoulders and sides. Finally double fold the bottom and stitch it.
Came in my life, I wanna see your face. Never will I be the same again.
Now let's finish off the neckline and armholes like a pro. Cut out a bias tape, fold it and stitch it all around the neckline. Then fold it inward and stitch it down with a machine, or if you've got free time and a tea to sip, do some hand hemming. I did hand hemming. Do the same for the armholes and boom, you have got yourself a simple sleeveless top that looks like you actually know what you're doing. I have got this loungewear from Gisora that fits perfectly, so instead of making the pattern, I'm just gonna replicate it. Fashion tip, if something fits like a glove, just copy it. I have folded the fabric and first up is cutting the front. The front has a belt, so I'm just gonna copy it exactly as it is, like a fashion cheat sheet. The back has elastic band, so I'm stretching it out like I'm testing its patience, marking it as shown and cutting it out. It's like giving the fabric a little yoga session before it becomes part of my loungewear masterpiece. Sewing isn't just about math, architecture and common sense, it's also a full body workout. Between all the stretching, bending and fabric wrestling, who needs yoga when you can sew? Here we have the back and here's the front. First step, stitch the crotch of both back and the front. Now place the back on top of the front with right sides facing each other like they are sharing a secret. Leave 3 inches at the top to attach the belt, stitch the sides and then stitch the crotch.
Well, I thought I knew what life.
And just like that, my sewing machine and I decided to hit pause. We both needed a break. So it's lunchtime. I'm making bundi raita, my all-time favorite, and pairing it with hot jeera rice, dal, and aloo bhujia. The ultimate comfort food combo.
It's all about that song had already been sung. I was going on, still minding my own business. Never knew the life had just begun.
Continuing with the series. Turns out the show has some hidden wisdom beneath all the madness. Like how sometimes the only way out is to play the game. Just like life, you just can't escape. When in doubt, just jump in, hope for the best, and try not to get eliminated in the process. Now let's cut out the belt. For the front, I'm just gonna copy it exactly as it is. One part I have added the fusing so that it becomes little thick. Now place this on top of the other and stitch it on the top. Now mark the middle point of the belt and align it with the middle point of the front because symmetry is key. Pin it up and stitch it.
Just begun. You came into my life like a sweet embrace, swept me off my feet and made me whole again. You came in my life.
Now fold the belt inward, sealing that seam allowance like you're hiding your secrets inside, and stitch it down. Now let's make the back belt. Cut out a strap of fabric as wide as the back of the pants. Fold it and place the front belt on top of it, mark the length and cut it out. Now attach this to the back of the pant and stitch it. Next, cut out an elastic by matching it with the measurement pant. Now align the front with the back, fold the back belt as shown and place the elastic. Pin it and stitch the sides. Don't forget to stitch it 2 to 3 times near the elastics to make it secure. While placing the elastic, make sure to leave this little space. Now do the same thing on the other side as well. Fold the elastic inward and stitch the belt like you're securing a secret plan. If you guys find it difficult, I'll leave a link to the YouTube video I followed in the description box. This is how the back belt ends up looking like. To make it look more professional, add a stitch at the middle of the belt. While doing the stitching, make sure to stretch the elastic and stitch it.
Swept me off my feet and made me whole again. You came in my life, I wanna see your face. Never will I be the same again. I wanna see your face again. Oh, let me see your face again. I'm far from being satisfied yet. I have to see your face again.